Something that I want people to know about me in real estate is that I'm going to sit down and actually listen to what you want and find out what you need. And then from those two, find a happy in between. Don't want to just sell your house. I want to find out what's going to create a solution that's tailored to you. So whether that's selling your house and getting you out to the country, or you really like where you live, but you're 55 and you don't see yourself retiring for another 20 years because you need to have another $500 a week in income to get where you need to be, well, we can unlock your equity and get you there faster with an extra $400 a week in rent that will get you to retirement in 3 years instead of 15. One of the things that I did with one property is that with about a $12,000 cosmetic renovation, I was able to paint the property, do some garden works, fix a few things up in the kitchen, make it look really special. We're actually able to change the rent from $440 a week to $750 a week, just that one renovation. And so finding those opportunities to really accelerate somebody's investment rather than just getting something for them and getting just a normal rent. So finding out what's the right thing for you rather than just trying to sell your house. My why so far I've been able to work out is definitely my family. Every decision you make will impact 7 generations. So I bring that to my own family. So I feel that's important as well to build that with my community and really revolutionize a lot of people's lives. That wouldn't just replace their incomes. This would actually help them to set up a legacy for their family for generations to come. So